So Gus33000 posted on Twitter a link to this Amazon post. And the Amazon post is from France, it's not from the United States. If you click on the link, it actually is all in French, and I had to translate it from French to English so we could actually read it and look at it, right? So what's really kind of cool but also weird at the same time is that this is not an Android 12L Surface Duo 1. As you can see by the title, it says Microsoft Surface Duo 6GB RAM, 128GB 4G plus Glacier ARM Cortex. And it is, of course, operating system Windows 10 Home, which is really weird because, you know, Windows 11 being installed on the Surface Duo, that was something that we all got excited about. The Surface Duo 1 and 2 getting Windows 11. I installed it on my device. I know a lot of you guys probably did yourself. You know, Gus33000 has really gone back and forth, helping us be able to really solidify that device with Windows. This post is interesting. So this was on eBay. I wouldn't be really that surprised. I would think someone probably took a Surface Duo 1, went ahead and put Windows 11 on it and posted on eBay. That's not really out of the realm of possibilities. People post modded products all the time on eBay. It's actually a lot easier to sell on eBay than it is Amazon. That's why I do sell on eBay. On Amazon, there's a whole entire process you got to go through and stuff like that. And so I'm kind of surprised this was posted. But here's what's really the kicker here. If you go ahead and see this, right, it says visit Microsoft Store, which of course takes us to Microsoft's Amazon page. Now, I'm not sure if that's the seller or if that's just the fact that, you know, this is a Microsoft product, because I don't see any actual seller on here. It says add to your list. We don't know if this will ever be back in stock, obviously. I'm going to guess only probably one ever sold. That would be my guess. Is that maybe this one unit sold and none other? But I wonder who put Windows 10 on it, because based on the Discord group we have when it comes to Windows 11 and Gus33000, there's no Windows 10 homes. So who put Windows 10 on this device? That's the first question. Now, if you go down here, there's actually a disclaimer. It says, this product works best with Windows 10 Home. Installing other operating systems may not work or affect device functionality. Which is kind of funny because we already know, you know, we had Andromedia before. We had, I cannot think of the name correctly. Andromedia? I know I'm butchering that name. But we had a Windows-based operating system for the Surface Duo before Microsoft canned it and just put Android on it. So it's kind of ironic how it says Windows 10 Home is the best to use on this, which is true. But just looking at it, it's like, Microsoft, you could have easily did that. Now, there are 2 ratings, but there's no actual thing about it. This also was posted in 2021, so sometime last year. But yeah, the 2 ratings are 5 stars, which I don't know if they actually. Let's go to comments. Yeah, there's no actual comments. I think they got removed or deleted because there's no actual comments of what the people have said. I don't know if that means 2 people bought it, because usually you can comment on stuff even if someone doesn't buy something. But if you did buy it, it would say like, you know, like actually purchased item on Amazon. It's not showing any kind of comments. So I'm not sure if anybody actually bought this, how much this was actually going for. It's so weird. So it said availability of spare parts, information not available on spare parts. So this was actually considered a real unit being sold. Microsoft, you guys really got to get behind this all. In all honesty, like, I mean, I say this a million times now, but Microsoft really is dropping and fumbling the bag here. Like, this is something that they could be doing themselves and selling and getting out there. And the fact that they're not is really honestly crazy. Now, again, like I said, we'll probably never find out who actually did go ahead and post this right here and who was the original seller of this. If you guys do have any information that you found personally, definitely comment down below. But even though we won't ever truly find out who this was, it's just one of those things where it's like, this phone is still gonna stay. This phone's still gonna stay alive for so freaking long, and I love it. I absolutely love this phone. I will tell you right now, this is my favorite device of all time. Now, going back with the Surface Duo 1, because yes, it's still a device you can buy till this day, which I know is crazy to say, but yes, you can still buy this phone till today and use it as your daily driver. I've been rocking this as my daily driver for the last month now since Android 12L came out, and I absolutely adore this phone. During the Black Friday sales, there were some Amazon Black Friday sales that had this device for $318, which is so not a deal. It's an amazing price tag for this device with all the stuff you get for the $18. It's just that's really what the price tag has been in the last like couple of months, or pretty much a year at this point. So it's not like it's anything new for it to be at that price tag, but it's definitely interesting. We see that price tag across Amazon. Walmart had that price tag. And I don't think it hasn't sold out at this moment in time. So if you want to pick this up as your secondary device, 100,000% recommend it. As your main device, currently my only issues have been, again, I figured out how to fix wireless charging. If you guys have not seen my video on how to do that, pretty much all you have to do is go ahead and get a wireless charging pad of some kind. Go ahead and get the, I think it's like MagSafe cables. So what you do is you put the little USB-C port into your Surface Duo 1, right? Pull off the cable because it's MagSafe, and then you can just go ahead and strap that to a wireless charging pad. So the second you put your phone down, it automatically clicks right into it and starts charging. You can pull your phone off without any hassle at all, and now you have your technical wireless charging, which, again, like I said, is kind of DIY. Do it yourself. We'll butcher the English language today. So I do kind of have that, and I also have a Galaxy Watch, so that gives me NFC, gives me the ability to use Google Pay and stuff like that. So there are workarounds with this device if you want to make this your primary device, but as a secondary device, 1000% recommend it, and definitely should pick it up. I'm still highly surprised that Microsoft was not able to get any kind of stock or inventory for this phone on their website, which is still kind of disappointing, especially with the fact that, Black Friday's here, holidays are here. This is when the best time possible is to sell cell phones. Cell phones are the number one gifts that everyone buys every single year. So that kind of pushes it into the forefront of, listen, you can actually take advantage of this full phone market, but we're going to see what Microsoft does next year, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.